Take a deep breath. Depending on your size, you inhale 3,000 to 8,000 gallons of air each day. In 2002, the EPA reported that 24,379 facilities released 4.7 billion pounds of toxins into the atmosphere. Take another deep breath. As of 2006, an estimated 82,000 chemicals were in use in the United States. Only about 25% of those chemicals have been tested for toxicity. Hungry? 93% of American processed cheese, hamburger, hot dogs, bologna, collards, chicken, turkey, and ice cream sandwiches contain DDE, a chemical byproduct of the pesticide DDT. Think your home is safe? Lotions, deodorants, fragrances, soaps, plastics, non-stick pans, cleaners, and detergents all have toxic elements that are easily absorbed by the body. As a nation, we have seen a 400% increase in heart disease and a 500% increase in cancer mortality since 1900. Incidents of autism, ADD, and ADHD are consistently increasing. Did you know that the average newborn has 200 different industrial chemicals, pollutants, and pesticides in their blood? Toxins are unavoidable. If you are alive on this planet, you are toxic. To be healthy, you must find ways to limit your exposure and to detoxify your body. Proper diet, exercise, and good nutrition are all necessary to maintain health and well-being. Additionally, detoxification is extremely important to help keep the body clean and running well. The IonCleanse ionic foot bath system is one of the most powerful cleansing and purification modalities in the world. Users of the IonCleanse report increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, and reduced stress. The session starts with your feet in warm water. After turning on the machine, millions of ions are generated in the water by the array. These ions, like tiny magnets, attract and neutralize oppositely charged toxins in the body. As you will see, the water starts out clear and turns into a colorful, toxic mixture. The array is placed in the water with the hands, feet, or other body parts. When turned on, the control unit delivers a small direct current into the array. The metals within the array, in combination with the water and salt, generate positively and negatively charged ions by separating hydrogen and oxygen from the water molecule. These ions neutralize charged particles in the body. The neutralized particles are pulled out of the body through the skin via osmosis and diffusion. Osmosis and diffusion involve the movement of particles through a membrane from a lower concentration to a higher concentration. In this case, the higher concentration is the ion field set up by the array in the water. For the purpose of IonCleanse discussions, positive and negative relate to electrical rather than chemical phenomena. When the IonCleanse is set on positive, the current flows to the positive pole in the array, which results in more negative ions being produced in the water. 4 water molecules plus 4 electrons reduces to H2 gas plus 4 hydroxyl ions. In this polarity, we have hydrogen gas smoking from the array, and we are left with an abundance of negatively charged hydroxyl ions in the water. Therefore, positive polarity generates a negative ion concentration. When the IonCleanse is set on negative, the current flows to the negative pole in the array, which results in more positive ions being produced in the water. 2 water molecules oxidizes to O2 gas plus 4 hydrogen ions plus 4 electrons. In this polarity, we have oxygen gas coming from the water, and we are left with an abundance of positively charged ions in the water. Therefore, negative polarity generates a positive ion concentration. This process is known as the electrolysis of water. Ionization is, in fact, a familiar process. In nature, ions are generated by the movement of water molecules. Think of how good you feel while walking along a beach or near a waterfall. We are creating the same reaction with the IonCleanse, only magnified many times over. Children between the ages of 2 through 12 should do 10 to 15-minute sessions 3 times a week. Adolescents can do 30-minute sessions 3 times a week indefinitely. If they get fatigued, cut down to 2 sessions a week or take a 3-week break. Adults between 18 and 50 can do full 30-minute sessions every other day or 3 times a week for a series of 10 to 14 sessions. After that cycle, a 2-week break is recommended before beginning another series. For adults over the age of 50, we recommend full 30-minute sessions twice a week unless he or she is in a weakened condition, in which case session time can be reduced to as little as 10 minutes. A series of 10 to 14 sessions is also recommended. Session times and protocols can be adjusted to meet individual requirements. As always, drink plenty of water before and after an IonCleanse session. Additionally, nutrition and supplementation will greatly enhance the IonCleanse experience. Start your purification program today. Contact your practitioner to schedule an IonCleanse session.